Hello guys, in today's video I want to show you how to create your WhatsApp link for yourself or for your business with your any smartphone of your choice to avoid the process of someone saving your contact before sending you a message. So if today is your first time of coming across my channel, I urge you to subscribe to this channel because we always create a new video every week in this channel for your personal business and financial growth. So let's go guys. So creating a WhatsApp link is one of the simplest thing to do as far as I'm concerned. So the first thing you have to do here is to go to your browser, and in this video I'm going to be using my Chrome browser. You go to your browser and you click on your browser. Let's say you go to your browser right now. So you tap wow.link. You go to a site called wow.link. 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 Then you open it. This interface will open to you. So all you just need to do here is just scroll down. This place that you say you should put your number. If you are Nigeria, Nigerian flag is already here. If you are Nigeria, you just put your Nigerian number here. So what I want to do is to put my number here. You, when putting your number here, since it has given you +321 +234, so you're going to omit the first zero on the front of at the front of your number. So I'm going to start with 90, not 090 again, but I'm going to start with 90 because this is zero here. So I'm putting my number right now. So I've put my number. It will ask you to customize the message, but this is optional. And for me, I don't do this. A lot of people will tell you to customize number for your. You only customize number. Maybe you want a particular somebody to send you message, or you want to use this link to sell your call. That is when I will advise you to customize the number. But if you're not using it, if you're using it for your own personal use, or you just want customer to send you message or at their heart, you don't want them to tell them what to send you. So you don't need to customize this place. You just go ahead and click on create message. Create message. So the message has been created. You say you should copy your link. This is the link here. You can see this is the link at the bottom here. Once you type on copy the link, that's copied. So go to my browser and paste the link. Let's do it this way. Let me go to my browser and paste the link. Where is the browser? So you can paste this link anywhere you want your person to click on it. So this is the link. I just type on go. You say continue chat. It will show you which of the person, which of your, if you have two, because right now I have two WhatsApp on my phone. If it is this one you want to use in sending the person message, once you click on it, it will just direct you straight to the person's DM, and you just send the person's message straight. So that is how to create your WhatsApp links to avoid the process of your customer or anybody that want to send you message. Avoid the process of saving your contact first before sending you message. So if you have value for this video, please like, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that we can get some value from us time to time. So peace guys, thank you, see you in the next video.